就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what up? It's time for another conversational Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月就是过年的月，
我们来去买年货。
没错，去逛大街了。
好啊，
年货大街要开始了 right? Okay, so during Lunar New Year's here in the Chinese culture in Taiwan, there's a lot of Lunar New Year shopping that you need to do. And there are a lot of things you can buy, such as mushrooms, scallops, dried fruits and nuts, maybe even dumplings or sticky rice, as well as candies for the kids. 其实年货好多东西可以买啊，对不对？好，我们就来听一下这样子的一个对话，到底要不要一起去逛年货大街呢？ Let's hear the conversation.
年貨睇嘅愛開始了。
我叫下來去姥姥啊麼？
好啊，我啲那邊等。
嘿，我也要姥姥啊！
姥姥啊，
就是要繞繞，對不對？逛逛。
對。
All right, in that conversation, there is a part I know it's about let's go hang out and shop together, okay? But let's break it down from the beginning. 刚刚有讲到年貨大街要開始了 so the Lunar New Year shopping, and there's a street that is popular for that, is about to begin. 这个年貨大街叫什麼？
年貨大街。
年貨大街。大街就是大街 that's a big street, but 年貨
年貨
that's the New Year shopping that you need to do. And 貨 actually means goods that you need to buy for the year. 那要不要一起去逛，对不对？所以
我叫下來去姥姥啊麼？
姥姥啊，
就是逛了啦。
姥姥啊 means to let's go shop, let's go window shopping, let's go walk the streets together. 好，要一起逛街，就是可以用这个词了，对不对 ？All right. 那好啊，在哪里等你 ？Right?
好啊，我喺那邊等。
That's right. This whole month, it's all about D9V. So 好啊 that means yes. 我喺D9V等。
就是在哪里等你。
Oh, where should I wait for you? Then, okay, then is to wait, is you. Where should I wait for you? 啊，很好很好。我们现在就来 review 几个单字咯，包括年貨 the Lunar New Year shopping.
年貨。
年貨 okay, that means to buy those goods. 然後要去逛 to go shop.
姥姥啊。
姥姥啊 okay, and finally to wait 等。then, okay, that's to wait. And it's all about where, 也就是 D9V this whole month. 也可以說 Do9V, 對不對？
對。
All right, let's listen to the conversation one more time.
年貨睇嘅愛開始了。
我叫下來去姥姥啊麼？
好啊，我啲那邊等。
And there you have it, another great conversational Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
男子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.